Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a YouTube creator like I am, you will be abiding by new policy rules of ads on the channels. And so I was looking at the way that they want to do it. I've got the email, and most of you will get the email in the coming weeks. Starting in November, one of the things that YouTube wants to do is enforce a better way of having a good balance between the ads and the content on YouTube. If you've been, and if you're a YouTube viewer and chase a lot of the YouTube content on there, you might have noticed that there are some channels where ad placement is just overblown. There's too many ads per the content. And this has to do with the fact that if your videos are longer than a certain amount of time, typically 10 minutes for most, you have the choice of actually doing ad placements and in YouTube Studio. And some people just put so many ads thinking that they're going to just, make so much money off of it. And I've never really abused or used that type of system because personally, I think that there's a balance between annoying users and, of course, having ads to monetize your content as a content creator. So I've always left YouTube do it on its own and noticed that YouTube actually balances it out pretty well in general. So starting in November, YouTube will take more control over what can be placed as ads, the type of ads, mid-roll ads, and so on. And one of the reasons is maximize the amount of revenue for content creators, but also they make an emphasis on having better control, better balance on the ad versus content, so that people don't get annoyed watching YouTube videos. So it's going to be interesting to see. I think it is important to have a better balance. One of the reasons some people use ad blockers has to do a lot with some websites being just crazy with ads. And I would like to remind everybody that uses an ad block, that if you do remember to let ads through on your favorite creators so that they can actually get monetized. Content on not just on YouTube but on the internet isn't free, and ads are paying for that. So not necessarily to open up everywhere, but if you have your favorite content creators, why not let them through for them so that they can actually get a share of money for what they do and their hard work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.